Sa pagbaba ninyo sa kanila, alam kong dala-dala ninyo ang tanglaw ng bagong sinag na akma ninyo ipinangalan sa inyong hanay. The race that will not only blaze the path of your careers, but will illuminate the good, defeat the darkness, and be a source of enlightenment. For you are products of the best military school in the world. You come from a great tradition. This academy has not only trained you to be proficient in warfare, but to be the champions of the welfare of our people. The PMA has long been a reliable institution in nation building. The PMA needs to step up and take on the task of ensuring that the next generation of leaders in the country are ready for the emerging and future challenges. Kaisa ang lakas ng bagong sinag, sama-sama tayong maglalakbay tungo sa inaasam na mas mapayapa at maunlad na bagong Pilipinas.
I feel blessed and also grateful to God, sir, since from the Philippine Military Academy, one of the prestigious military academies here in the Philippines, sir, it is a privilege and an honor for me to be one of the top performing cadets out of the 278 of the Bagong Sinag class of 2024. So these are all humbly offered back to our Lord God for the blessings received. As I said at the Kapihan 2024, sir, being a gender or being a female cadet is not a hindrance to being one of the top of the academy, since we are given equal opportunity to excel and also even hold leadership positions in the academy. So gender is not an excuse, and we are given standards that we are to oblige based on our gender, sir. I think we are already ready, sir, to serve our nation, sir, since the PMA programs and activities are developed and are programmed for us cadets to be skilled and to have the education and the basic military skills, and also the character to serve our nation as combatants, as military professionals, as leaders in the military, and as also partners in national development, sir. To our aspirants who would want to join the academy, all I can say is I came from a simple family. I came from a simple hometown, Surigao City, and I was able to join the academy because I persisted. I had the opportunity to take the exam, and I also had the chance to go beyond my limits, sir, and to go beyond my comfort zone, sir. So to all our Filipino youth, if you had a chance, grab it and give your best effort all the time, sir. So take the PMA challenge.
To the graduating class of PMA Bagong Sinag class of 2024, congratulations, and may you continue to lead and inspire your troops once you become lieutenant or ensigns in the Armed Forces of the Philippines. And I hope that in doing so, you will do it with humility and, of course, never falter from the ideals of courage, integrity, and loyalty that the PMA has instilled in you. And I know you will be successful in your endeavor as an officer in the Armed Forces of the Philippines.